Hi, Dr. Andrew Dulac, TPI certified and doctor of physical therapy. Today I want to cover a really important body region, which is the hip. As we get older, the hip joint gets tighter. We can develop some arthritis in the hip, and that causes us to change our swing. We lose distance, or it could actually make you give up the game of golf. Here are the top 3 signs that you can tell that you may be suffering from hip issues. So the first one is, do you have pain in the hip or groin? So is it around the back side of your hip, or does it go into the groin area? If you have this, it's probably coming from your hip. The other one is, do you have difficulty getting in and out of a car? When you try to get into a lower car, is it more difficult for you? Or you might actually have pain doing so. And one that you do probably every day is putting your shoes and socks on. Did you have any issues this morning when you pulled your foot up and you realized you couldn't do it, so you're actually bending forward or sitting down to prop your foot up? Do you have problems doing that? If you said yes to any of these, you may be suffering from a hip issue. Here are the top 3 exercises to correct it. Here are the top 3 exercises for hip tightness or pain. The first one is a hip internal rotation stretch. Laying down on your back with your knees bent. Take your right knee, cross it over the left knee, so just at the ankle, and then you're using the right leg to pull the left leg over to the right side. This is going to stretch the left hip. So if you're having left hip tightness or pain, this is a way to do this stretch. You're going to hold it for 15 seconds. Do it 3 times. If you're having right hip tightness or pain, you're going to switch this. So cross the left leg over the right, just above the knee, the ankle of the left over the right knee, and pull to the left, and this should stretch the right hip. Again, 3 times, 15 seconds. The next one is called the piriformis pull. So with your knees bent, if you're having right hip pain or tightness, cross your right over your left and grab the right knee with both hands and pull towards your left shoulder. You should feel this stretch on the back side of your hip, right in your glute area. Hold this stretch for 15 seconds and do this 3 times. If you're having left hip tightness or pain, cross the left one over, take both hands, grab the left knee, and pull towards your right shoulder. Again, 3 sets for 15 seconds. The last one is called the hip flexor stretch. This will require you to be kneeling on your knees. So if you're having left hip tightness and pain, your right knee goes forward, the left one's down, and you're going to lean your pelvis or your hips forward and hold this 15 seconds and do this 3 times. If you're having right hip tightness or pain, the right knee goes down, the left leg goes forward, and you're going to lean forward again. 3 sets for 15 seconds. Try this once a day. If you have any questions, email me at andrew@wellgolfer.com.